Sony A7 III ILCEM3K, B. Full-frame mirrorless. Interchangeable lens camera with 28 to 70 mm lens with 3-inch LCD. Compatible mounting Sony FE. Aspect ratio 16:9. Photo sensor technology CMOS. Supported file format or AW. Image stabilization optical. Maximum focal length 70 mm. Optical zoom 2x. Maximum aperture 3.5 f. Expanded ISO minimum 50. Metering description center weighted average. Highlight weighted, multi-zone, spot. Advanced 24:2MP. BSI full-frame image sensor with 1.8x readout speed advanced. 24:2MP. Back illuminated 35 mm. Full-frame image sensor. 15-stop dynamic range. 14-bit uncompressed RAW. ISO 50 to 200 for 1800. Up to 10F silent or mechanical shutter with AF tracking. 693 phase detection. 425 contrast AF points with 93% image coverage. In the box, SEL to 870 lens. Lens hood, lens cap, lens rear cap. Rechargeable battery and PFZ100. AC adapter ACUUD12. Shoulder strap, body cap, accessory shoe cap. Eyepiece cup, micro USB cable. Sensor type, 35 mm full frame. 35.6 times 23.8 mm. Exmor RCMOS sensor. Rendering scenes in realistic detail. Newly developed back illuminated image sensor and evolved image processing system. Fulfill various shooting needs with high-quality imaging capabilities that you might expect only of a full-frame camera. Reducing noise in high-resolution images. Standard ISO range is extended to ISO 100 to 50, 1000 to 100. Expandable to ISO 50 to 0 for 8007. For stills, while detail reproduction and area-specific noise reduction technologies. Maintain image details and cut noise. Steadier shots with 5-axis stabilization. High-precision stabilization unit. Gyro sensors and algorithms. Achieve a 5.0 step 9 shutter. Speed advantage in a system that compensates. 5 types of camera shake with a wide range of lenses. More realistic, expressive movies, as well as new capability of recording stunning 4K movies 3 through to 0.4 times 20 to higher oversampling. The camera features a new HLG hybrid log gamma for picture profile, supporting instant HDR workflow. Shoot continuously in absolute silence. This camera allows silent shooting 18 at up to 10 fps with AFA. Tracking to silence is critical for various scenes, when even slight noise can mean missing a chance at an ideal shot. Capture the peaks of more decisive moments with the A7 III from Sony. Packing newly developed, back illuminated full frame, CMOS sensor and other advanced imaging innovations. High-speed response, ease of operation, and reliable durability that are ready for various shooting needs. Gain control of expressive freedom with outstanding imaging capability and high speed. Performance contained in a compact body. The A7 III gives you the power, precision, and flexibility to capture once-in-a-lifetime moments just as you like.